So I thought I'd let you see what the shop looks like today. It is full. It is full. I added an air compressor on the outside of that wall. 200-gallon air supply runs in here, so all my air tools are now up here. I did add a welding station over here. I've got a winch that resides down here, runs up the wall, across the ceiling, handheld remote, 1,200-pound lifting capacity. Iron head motor with an integral transmission is quite heavy. So, and right now I've got a 10-foot long build going. So I actually had to make this stand back here for the back tire to rest on. And I can flip it on the other side and have it up higher. So even with this little extension part, I still got plenty of room. Well, I got room to weld, but this is now what it looks like 1.5 years, 2 years after 5 bikes have been through here.